Creator launched its first restaurant back in September after 8 years of developing the Creator Robot. The robot is an incredible burger-making machine stocked with 350 sensors, 50 actuators, and 20 computers. The restaurant is equipped with 2 robots, and each fully automated machine has an output capacity of 120 burgers per hour. Each burger is fully created from scratch by the machine, including prep work such as grinding fresh meat into patties and cutting up the fixings like tomatoes and onions. Once orders are placed, buns are pushed through a compressed air tube onto an elevator on the side of the machine. The buns are sliced, buttered, and toasted, and then they glide along a conveyor belt as fresh ingredients are added. It's a 30-second process from start to finish, producing a high-quality burger for a very reasonable $6.
We're here at Creator, a new BurgerBot restaurant, with the founder, Alex, who invented this crazy machine we're standing in front of. Maybe you could tell us, how did you get into the idea of building a BurgerBot?
So I grew up flipping burgers, and parents got a restaurant. I've made maybe tens of thousands of burgers in my life, and when your job is to make something like 400 of the same burger every single day, you realize that there are a lot of opportunities to make it just a little bit better, except didn't have the means. So I thought, okay, if better kitchen tools help me make a much better product, why not just take that to infinity? And this is kind of like the ultimate kitchen instrument. We just spent sauce down to the milliliter. We just spent seasoning down to the gram. There's 11 sensors to watch the temperature of the beef and some AI to make sure we lock in the doneness. When we grind the meat, we literally align the meat in the patty to go along with your bite kind of vertically as your incisors come through, so you get a lot of advantage on the texture side of things.
So the burgers are tasty, and I'm absolutely surprised that they only cost $6. But my question is, what is this going to do for the future of work and all the people that already work in these kind of restaurants?
So, I grew up making burgers, and that type of job is really close to my heart. And so I thought, okay, if I'm in a position where my job is to do something repetitive all day, how can I make a place of work where I can move from that into doing something that's either more creative or social? And so this place has a decent sized staff, actually. We're paying everyone $16 an hour. On top of that, we're able to give people a 5% time, meaning 5% of the time on the clock, they're spending that reading a book or doing something that's going to benefit them in the long run, as opposed to what I was doing growing up, just doing this over and over all day. And so I think what we're going to see is an enhancement in terms of our collective skill set, moving into things that are just generally more fulfilling.
Then when the restaurant is open for business, orders are placed on snazzy touchscreens, activating the ingredient delivery system that automatically allocates ingredients from the hoppers to the woks. The meals are tumbled, cooked, and seared at 232 degrees Celsius for up to 3 minutes, and then laid onto bowls for a quick garnish, ready to serve. Then the woks are automatically sanitized with hot water jets between each meal. Look at these colorful, fancy-looking meals. They seem pretty reasonable for $7.50 each. Let's see, they have the Korean, Thai, Indian. Wait, where's the American? Now we're talking. Anyway, in September, Spice secured $21 million in funding, which will be used to expand to more locations in
Oh man, those robots are so adorable. And they'll bring you a sandwich. Oh my God. Now all they need to do is just bring it to Atlanta. Just come to Atlanta so I can just stop dealing with all the chads that I have to deal with coming to my house.